Namaskar. Once again in the Amul Mithai Met show, Amul show, and we all are locked down. So wish you all to be stay at home, stay safe, spend time with your families. So thank you Amul for giving me one more chance to present one dish. Today I am going to prepare one dish which is Piskat Maska Halwa. Piskat in Tamil language is biscuit. Generally halwa we make from mung dal, we make from besan, we make from atta, we make from bread, lot of things. But it's attract me a lot because this dish is from Saurashtra and now it's very popular in Madurai. So this dish is made out of biscuit and maska is butter. So here we will not use butter, we will use the ghee, and here is the ingredients. So today two Amul products we are using, Amul ghee and Amul Mithai Met. And to make these things we need a rusk biscuit, we need sugar, we need some saffron milk, we need some cashew, we need some cinnamon, some raisins and some almonds and some Amul ghee. Now first what we have to do, we have to boil the water which is kept over here with some cinnamon sticks just to infuse the cinnamon flavor into the water, and simultaneously we will grind the rusk biscuit, make it a fine powder, and then we will do the rest of the things. So let's start. First light on the gas. And we will pour almost 750 ml of water. And we will drop few sticks of cinnamon into that water. Let it be boiled. By the time it is boiling, we will grind the biscuits. Make sure you do not grind the biscuits in one shot. Make it into two batch. Break the biscuits and grind it properly. Here we go. Make it small pieces. So it will be evenly ground. This recipe is actually Mr. Iyer, who traveled to Madurai in 1901. So he introduced this dish. They have a shop also which is running by the fourth generation, and this dish is very popular. Nowadays they are using it, Madurai people, into their festivity time and all other times. So it will make some noise. We'll stir it and we'll make sure that the things move well, and we'll do one more time. It's not grounded properly, so we will mix. Try to do it again. need to grind it till the time it comes into a smooth powder. Take out these pieces, which is already mixed. We'll put into another jar. Everything is ready. Water is boiling. Now we'll heat up the another pan. And we will put the ghee. So for ghee, you need to be little generous because this is the main flavor of the product. Okay, whereas saffron milk will work out later on. So we'll do, already put the ghee, it's heated up, nothing to do. We'll transform the powder we did over here. We'll stir, we'll close the water, we'll cover. It's already cinnamon is there. Now this is the main part. You have to saute it very well. It's a very easy dish. It's not complicated at all. It's very quick, easy to prepare. Biscuit is available in everybody's house, so you can make out of it. Now it's already, the biscuit is pre-baked, which is cooked, already cooked है, ready to eat है, तो इसको ज़्यादा भुनने का ज़रूरत नहीं होगा. अगर आपको लगता है कि घी की मात्रा थोड़ी सी बढ़ाना चाहिए, तो you can add little bit more ghee. Now stir again. See, the color is changing. You need to constantly stir it. I prefer a non-stick pan for easy cooking. You can do it in a heavy bottom pan जिसकी बेस ज़्यादा थिक हो, ताकि स्टिक करने का चांस कम रहता है. Now this is the part where we will put the sugar. Now sugar as per your sugar level taste. Now we will also add some Milkmaid over here, which is Amul Mithai Maid. This give a nice density and depth to the body, to the product. Mix well. Sugar can be put into the water, but once you sugar heated up, it gives a very beautiful caramelized color. Means हल्का ब्राउनिश हो जाता है, प्रोडक्ट को कर देता है. ये ऑलमोस्ट भून गया. घी के साथ चीनी मिल गया. मिल के देखिए कलर चेंज हो रहा है इसका. नाउ हम इसमें पानी डाल देंगे स्लोली. Stir it. This is the part where you have to be really work hard. You have to push more so you can avoid the lumps. The गुटली बन जाएगा. See, water is already absorbed by the halwa. You can get a good smell of desi ghee. The sugar helps to change the color. See, the pan is very clear. Nothing is here. It's already absorbed water, sugar, Milkmaid, everything. Ghee, everything. Let it be cooked for 2-3 minutes. And we'll do plating after that. So it's very simple dish. Generally, you can cook it anytime at home. It takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes prep time, and it can be cooked easily within 10 to 15 minutes duration. So now come back to our plate. Our pan, the oil is leaving. Now we will add some saffron milk. Saffron will give us a good flavor or essence. If saffron is not available to your home, no issue, you can avoid this part. The beautiful smell of saffron is coming. We'll mix it well. Saffron to be mixed well with all the things. You can constantly stir. It's a homemade dish, so you do not need every items is required in your making this process. One packet of biscuit, 2 to 3 or 4 spoon of desi ghee, 500 to 700 ml of water, some cinnamons, on top some garnish, some Milkmaid or Amul Mithai, sugar. So if anything is missing into this whole system, then simply you can make with the desi ghee, sugar, little bit of milk and rusk biscuit. It will be equally good. So here no lumps, the body is clear, there is no trace of anything in the pan. Okay, so now we'll transfer the dish into a plate. Beautiful. So this is the dish. Now we'll put some kaju. You can fry the kaju in desi ghee also. Kishmish as well. You can put some kishmish. And some chopped almonds. And on top, little bit of ghee. So this is the dish, Piskat Maska Halwa. It's not a costly dish at all. Hope you people enjoy the recipe. See you soon in some times with another product with the help of Amul ingredients. That is the taste of India. Once again, thank you Amul for giving me one more chance. Hope you people enjoy it. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye.